Welcome to LiveLeanTV. I'm Brad Guthrie from LiveLeanTV.com. So guys, on today's episode, I'm sharing 7 quick recipes to fuel your early morning workouts. Yup, there is nothing quite like getting up at 4:30 a.m. to go for a workout at the gym. Think I'm crazy? Guys, don't knock it until you try it. Yes, you will feel tired and cranky for the first 5 minutes after waking up, but just fight the urge to go back to sleep. Once you're up, you're good to go. It's that live lean mindset that makes the choices to rise above the temporary sleepiness and take action on your goals. So then the question is, if you're one of these early morning workout warriors, what do you eat to properly fuel your body before your workout? Because as you know guys, while you're sleeping, your body is going through a fast. But if your goal is fat loss, following an intermittent fasting approach and training fasted may work better for your goals. You could take some BCA, some branched chain amino acids with some water, or just a quick protein shake. And this will help protect your muscles during your workout so you more attack the stored body fat. However, if your goal is muscle building, I'd recommend you get something in your stomach before your morning workout, but just don't grab the quickest thing possible. You need to fuel your body with the proper nutrients to get the most out of your workouts. So just don't fall into the trap of eating a breakfast comprised entirely of carbohydrates. And yes, this includes fruit. By simply grabbing a quick banana or an apple or a big glass of orange juice or a carbohydrate-rich sports drink or just plain toast will quickly increase your blood sugar levels. Now, this quick rise in blood sugar will most likely cause a quick drop in energy during your workout that can leave you feeling tired and weak. And these are the opposite feelings that you should be having while you're in the gym, especially if it's like 4:30 or 5:30 in the morning. So guys, if you train early in the morning, I want you to follow this pre-workout meal plan if your goal is muscle building. Focus on fueling your body with slow digesting energy. So an example would be consuming what I call the PFF meal, consisting of protein, fiber, and fat. So having these nutrients in your pre-workout meal will allow for a slow rise in blood sugar, thus reducing the crash that you'll feel after consuming a strictly carbohydrate meal or a snack. So here's why the PFF is so great. Protein. So protein will provide your body with the necessary amino acids to grow and repair your muscles to help you increase your strength in the gym and burn more body fat. And research also shows that taking protein before and after your workout helps create a proper muscle protein balance in the body. So the protein doesn't just have to come from protein powders. It can also come from eating whole foods such as eggs, beef, chicken, and fish. Now let's talk about the fiber portion. So although fiber doesn't provide the body with energy, it does help you feel full. So mentally, this full feeling can help you in the gym since you may feel like you have more energy to get through the entire workout. And fiber in the morning also helps promote a healthy digestive system and keeps you regular so you don't feel bloated or constipated throughout the day. So you can increase your fiber intake in the morning by eating foods high in fiber such as flax seeds, vegetables, and nuts and seeds. So let's talk about healthy fats now. So a small amount of healthy fats from flax oil, flax seeds, chia seeds, nut butters, egg yolks, avocado, and healthy oils like coconut oil, olive oil, and avocado oil can be beneficial to your pre-workout meal. So these healthy fats can provide you with a slow release of energy to help you get through that grueling morning workout. So that's the PFF portion. Now, let's talk about caffeine. So caffeine can play a positive role in giving your body the necessary jolt of energy to complete your workout at a high intensity, thus allowing you to build more muscle and burn more fat in the workout. Now, this caffeine can be found in coffee, a pre-workout supplement, or a cup of green tea, although green tea has a much smaller amount of caffeine than coffee. So you could try the coconut oil coffee that I love to have first thing in the morning. So caffeine works for some people. However, others may feel caffeine gives them too much energy, which they can then lead to a poor workout. So just test it for yourself and find out what works best for you. So guys, everyone is different, so experiment with the foods mentioned above. What may work well for some people may not work for you at all. So track your progress and stick with what works for you. So I put together a little compilation of some pre-workout meals that we've done previous videos for that will work well for a lot of people. So you've probably heard me say that the best pre-workout meal in my experience has been the meat and nuts breakfast that I first learned from Charles Poliquin. So guys, if you're truly committed, this is the best pre-workout meal, as it'll help you improve your energy, but also your focus and your mental drive, which is so important during the workout. So I filmed an entire cooking video on that here, so you can go check out the full video right here. Now, I've also shared 5 other cooking videos showing you excellent ideas for quick pre-workout meals to fuel your early morning workouts. So I'm gonna share the links to those videos. First one up is Mexican style eggs, iced protein coffee, superfood smoothie, paleo cereal, and the last recipe that I want to show you right now is protein pudding. So check out how quick and simple this pre-workout meal is. 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. You're gonna have 1 serving of protein powder. You can use water or unsweetened almond milk. Now, the night before, mix the protein powder with the flax seeds and the almond milk or water in a small container. Let it soak in your refrigerator overnight. Then in the morning, the flax seeds will thicken up, making it into a pudding consistency. You could also use chia seeds as well. So guys, bottom line here, if you feel like you have no time to eat before your early morning workout, all these recipes literally take minutes to prepare. This is especially true when you have pre-cooked meat and eggs ready to go, or you could simply make your breakfast the night before. Also, it's best if you allow your body at least 45 minutes to properly digest the food. So depending on how long your drive is to the gym, this may mean getting up just a little bit earlier. However, just do the best you can. Also, just like it'll take you time to adapt to the early morning wake up times, it's gonna take your time for your body to adapt to feeling hungry in the morning. So I'll just recommend start slow by eating smaller quantities, then build up to eating a full meal. And guys, if you want a super quick pre-workout meal, you could also just add water, protein powder, and some coconut oil into a shake, blend it up, and drink it as you go. Quickly digesting, so if you only have like 30 minutes to allow it to digest or 15 minutes, that'll work as well. So guys, we're running a contest this week to win a free Live Lean Way course. So guys, this brand new, not yet released nutrition program will change your mindset about food. This is not a diet, it's not another cookbook, it's a nutrition mindset course that is soon to be released. We put so much work into this. So guys, we're gonna pick 2 lucky winners and enroll them in this course for free. And we're gonna select it before April 16th. So you have 7 days starting today until next Monday to get your entry in. And here's what you need to do to get an entry in. I want you to record a 60-second or less video of yourself talking about which of our Live Lean programs you've done and how it has changed your life. And then number 2, just email that video to jessica@liveleantv.com. We'll put that email down in the video description as well, and we'll announce the winners on this channel next Monday. You'll be one of the first to see the course before it is even released. So get your entry in before the deadline, and good luck. All right, guys, that is it. Thanks for watching, and keep living lean.